Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how to insert a SIM card at a Huawei P Smart. So next to the phone, of course, you will need a pin in this part of the box. You have it here, open like this, and then you can remove the pin. Oops. Okay. By the way, you could use also a paper clip as alternative, but we will work with the original pin. The edge is very important, and if you have the phone like this, on the side you will have the SIM tray, and next to the SIM tray there's a small hole, and with the edge of the pin you enter it and press a bit and the SIM slot comes out, so the SIM tray comes out. Okay, then you have to try like this, and we have two versions of the phone. One is the single SIM version. Let us start with the single SIM version. You put the SIM card like this. Same thing also as later with the dual SIM version. You put the phone like this. So you put the SIM like this. The missing corner on missing corner, and the contacts are below. And in the single SIM version, you are able to extend with the micro SD card. You can add it if you want. And the second part, okay, looks like this. Contacts are below. Okay, now let us have a look on the dual SIM version. If you have the dual SIM version, you are able to put a second SIM card as alternative to the micro SD card. And you put it like this. Contacts are below. Yeah. And as I said, you could do the same thing at the dual SIM version if you extend it with a micro SD card. But you have to decide micro SD card or a second SIM card. By the way, you need also a nano SIM. You need a nano SIM card. Huh? Okay. At the end, if you have everything, put it back like this, and that's it. Okay, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. It's very, very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.